I'm about to do something that is definitely gonna get me on the naughty list. Oh my god, it looks so good. Don't look at this, look at me. Anyways, what's kickin' chicken? It's Marina, back for another video. My voice is gone because I am a WAC champion now. Volleyball 2021. Anyways, that's another story. I'll film a video on it for next week. But this week is actually Christmas. If you didn't know, November 1st means Christmas. But actually no, I just wanted to jump up in front of the gun and basically throw out my affordable Christmas gift ideas for college students, teenagers, basically anybody. These are perfect for anyone. So let's just go ahead and jump into this video. Okay, to start off, I'm going to be doing the beauty category. So the first thing that I am asking for Christmas, or first gift idea, is this Hempz lotion. I use it all the time. Okay, so this is the one that I use. It's pineapple and sweet melon. It smells so good, and as you can see, I'm almost done. Next on the list is this baby glitter lip kit that I've seen all over TikTok, and the real one is from Stay Golden Cosmetics, and the whole total kit is $20. But if you want to be a little bougie, this is a little bit more on the upscale price. You can get the Tom Ford Bomb Frost, which is basically Vaseline and glitter. I've heard not the best reviews about it, but it's another option. And then another option on Amazon is just this basic glitter lip kit. Next is the Tea or Tree Hut like exfoliators. They smell so good. Also, Christmas is a great time to ask for perfumes. So some of the options that I'm putting on the screen is the Urban Outfitter collections. And if you're looking for a little bit more pricey option, you can go for the Glossier You perfume, which is what I'm asking for Christmas this year. Another option is Bath & Body Works body mist. One company that I love a lot is called Studs. For sterling silver and like real gold-plated things, I think it's definitely worth the price. Next item that should be on your Christmas wish list this year is sunglasses. Now for hair, I am definitely going to recommend putting hair clips, like the claw clips, the hair barrettes on your list, and also headbands. So as you can see, I love light. Things that you can ask for related to light is candles, lanterns, literally all of the above. Some of the cutest ones right now are the solar lamps that you see everywhere. You can also ask for LED strips. Those are kind of out of style and they take all the paint off your wall, so There's also moon lanterns, which I think are adorable for dorm rooms especially. And then another thing is like these star globes that shoot and project like starlights onto your wall. Ooh, and another one is neon signs. I think those are so cute. And I'm gonna start off with Gymshark. Anything Gymshark. Gymshark is very good, very affordable, mostly under $50 for shorts and like spandex type things. And I honestly have been loving what they're coming out with, and their t-shirts are super comfy. Speaking of comfies, the comfy, like the literal comfy, the giant blanket little dress. A big trend in college are these little Ugg boots that are like, they stop here. They're short Uggs, they're like Shugs. I think those are super cute, and you can get them in a bunch of different styles, and if you want to buy Uggs, go ahead. But Amazon, Shoot Station, like Foot Locker all have cheaper versions, so just go for those. You can also just ask for like a Goodwill gift card, or literally gift cards to any of your favorite shopping places. My next category is going to be the comfort section, which is my favorite because I love to be comfy. So to start out this, I have these bad boys, Squishmallows. Like, they're so good for college. Whenever you're sad, you can just literally give them a squeeze. They're perfect. I am a tea girl, so an advent calendar for tea is just the cutest little idea to me. So if you're a tea person or even coffee, I bet there's 25 days of Keurig. So anything advent calendar related to like coffee, tea, like comfort items in college is super cute, especially if you can't go home during the holidays. And I keep saying super cute, I'm so sorry, I can't help myself. You can also ask for fuzzy socks and slippers, which are both on my list. My favorite fuzzy socks are from Altered State. They're these big chunky little chunks. Or if your grandma knows how to knit or crochet, use her to your abilities. Like, And slippers, there's these adorable smiley slippers that are trending everywhere. This gift is sort of like active focused. It's a booty band or booty pack band, like pack of booty bands. Tote bags this year are super popular, so go ahead and get yourself that cute tote bag from Urban Outfitters. Okay, and this is like an everyday, every year type thing that'll always be helpful, but a reusable water bottle from Hydro Flask, literally anywhere. And my last and final ideas are cacti. I went to Wet My Plant in Old Town Spring, Texas. It is the cutest stop that you will ever see. Like, I have never been happier. I'm not really a plant girl, but I love the color green, and that place did it for me. Honestly, they had everything that I've ever wanted in that store. Cactuses, cacti. And then there's this brown spray bottle that I am literally still thinking about, and I regret that I didn't buy, but I could literally just drive down the road and get it in a few weeks. But I'm asking for a brown glass spray bottle for Christmas because it's so aesthetically pleasing to me. And also, you can literally buy pots from the dollar store and paint them with your significant other, partner, whoever you want, your best friend, your cousin, your grandma. I think that'd be a cute little holiday gift, like memoir that you can remember too, so it's not just a present. But if you don't really care about painting, go ahead, get the Anthropologie pot, get the Urban Outfitter pot. They're around $16, $8, not 68, 16 to 8, around that price range. Okay, thank you guys so much for staying to the end of the video. I hope anyways, that is it for my 2021 Christmas gift ideas that are all under $50. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for staying all the way. I think I already said that, but yeah. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. See you guys next week. Bye. Also, I am so sweaty. I need to take a shower.